I'm not taking.
That's what it's like here. You need to record her when she acting like, whoa!
Hey!
I just realized.
Hey. Okay.
I was about to make a face. Take a picture of me.
Oh. Get DeAndre over there working. You working? Copying?
We're gonna title it The Worker.
DeAndre. The worker.
Sally, smile.
What are you saying?
I said smile. Did she smile?
Yeah. He looks so mad.
Oh. Dude.
She's so mad.
Jesus Christ.
Dude's a lady.
She's a lady.
Alright then.
Whoa, she's...
I didn't really think somebody was gonna keep going with it.
Alright, man, put that away, dog. I'm too real for that.
Too ghetto for that?
Yeah.
She said I'm too
What?
old for that.
What the hell? That is ghetto. That is,
Hey.
that's ghetto-ness right there.
That's because these pants is too...
Can we see your ring?
Hmm?
Can we see your ring? Hey, she got some bling bling. Wait, look at her girl. Think of that. Oh my god.
Really? A class ring is bling bling?
Shut up to me, it is.
For this one.
I got it.
Well, since we're in the bling bling, look at that necklace. Look at that. Oh, nice. Boom. In your face.
Oh my damn.
Oh, my damn.
Oh my damn.
Oh, there it is.